Hi everyone, in this video we are going to find quartile for group data. Quartile is the values that divide a list of arranged number into quarters. So we have first quartile, second quartile and third quartile. Look at example. Let's say we have the waiting time for 84 customers to have their food served at a restaurant on a particular day is shown in the following table. We are given a range of data and a number of customers will be our frequency. The formula will be L plus K over 4 multiplied by N minus F capital F divided by frequency multiplied by its class. Now we are going to need 3 columns of table. The first one will be the class of the data. Second will be the frequency. And then the third one we are going to need cumulative frequency. First, we complete the table. We're going to find the cumulative frequency for the data. The first class, the cumulative frequency will be 5. Second class will be 5 plus 13 will be 18. And then 18 plus 31 here will be 49. And then plus 19, 68 plus 8, 76 plus 4 will be 80, and then plus 4, 84. And then our cumulative frequency will be equal to the summation of frequency, which is equals to 84. Now we are going to find quartile 1, Q1. So if we want to find Q1, and then our K will be 1. 1 multiplied by N is summation of F, which is 84 divided by 4. We are going to find the location first. So we have 21. Our first quartile is 21. Now we look at find 21 at cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency 21 will be here. Because our data 19 until 49 will be at this class. So we have class of Q1 is 11 until 15. For this class, we are going to find its lower boundary and the size of the class. Lower boundary is 11 plus 10 divided by 2 equals to 10.5. Size class will be upper boundary minus lower boundary. Upper boundary for this class is 15 plus 16 divided by 2 will be 15.5 minus lower boundary 10.5 equals to 5. Okay, done with the class of our first quartile. So quartile 1, the formula will be lower boundary of its class plus Kn over 4 minus cumulative frequency before divided by its cumulative multiplied by its C. Okay, our lower boundary is 10.5. plus kn over 4 will be 21 minus cumulative frequency will be 18. Cumulative frequency before the plus 18. Frequency of the class will be 31 divided by 31, and then its C will be 5. Now Q1 is 10.98. So 10.98 belong in this class, which is 11 until 15. Now we are going to find second quartile. Okay, quartile 2. Our K is 2. So 2 n is 84 divided by 4 equals to, we have 42. Next, we are going to find 42 at the cumulative frequency. So our 42 will be here at 11 until 15 class. So our Q2 class will be 11 until 15. So from here, we can have its lower boundary and its C. So lower boundary is 10.5. Its C will be 15.5 minus 10.5, which is equals to 5. Okay, next we are going to calculate Q2 equals to lower boundary plus K is 2n over 4 minus cumulative frequency before divided by its frequency multiplied by C. So our lower boundary is 10.5 plus our kn over 4 is 42 minus cumulative frequency before will be 18 divided by its frequency will be 31, and then multiply by 5. So our Q2 is equals to 14.37. Please do remember, our Q2 is always equals to median. Next, we are going to find Q3. Q3. The location will be K3, n is 84 divided by 4, 63. And then we find 63 at cumulative. So 63 will be here. So the class will be 16 until 20. So Q3 class is 16 until 20. So from this class, we need its lower boundary and its size. Lower boundary will be 15 plus 16 divided by 2, which is equals to 15.5. C is upper boundary minus lower boundary. Upper boundary is 20.5 minus 15.5, which is equals to 5. Next, we are going to substitute into the formula. Lower boundary minus cumulative before divided by its cumulative multiplied by C. lower boundary is 15.5 plus Kn over 4 is 63 minus cumulative frequency before is 49 divided by frequency. Its frequency will be 90 and its class size will be 5. 16.24 is our third quartile. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So our Q3 is 16.24 minus 10.98. So interquartile range is 5.26. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.